Hey guys, how's it going? It is time to go herping. It's me, Sophia, and Ellis passed out back there. So it's me and the girls tonight. We're heading to the usual place in South Texas we go to. They got rain last weekend, and things have been moving around, but just the conditions haven't been right. But tonight it's looking pretty good, so we're gonna try our luck and see what we find. But anyway, we'll catch up with you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we got here a little bit ago. Look at that sunset, just beautiful. Anyway, we've seen, I think we saw a horny toad that got off the road. We could not find it. And then we saw a DOR horny toad, which was a bummer. It was a real pretty one. Just been hit. It was freshly hit. Yeah, other than that, no snakes. But it's getting to be that time. It's 8:22. Sun should be going down. Sun already went down, so it's gonna get dark here really soon. Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated to see what's the first snake on the road. All right, we got a toad on the road, and the girls got out. Let's check it out. What kind of toad is it? It's a Texas toad. Just grab it, Sophie.
I will grab it. Does it have poison on its head?
It has some glands on the back, but if you grab it, oh, there, it's back on the back.
Grab it! Grab it!
Yeah, grab it.
Run! Get it!
Grab it.
Just get it! Oh, Daddy caught it before me.
Alright guys, we found a toad. First herp of the day, or of the night. It's a little Texas toad.
It's holding my hand. In pain.
Pain?
Yeah, it's in pain right now.
It's not in pain. Sophia's not hurting it.
No, because I don't want to hurt it. He's like baby Lucy. What does that sound that he's making?
It's a stress call. Like, oh, leave me alone, leave me alone.
Okay, so can we put him down?
Yeah.
Can I pet him? Don't put him right there. Put him on his back. Oh, he's so cute.
No, put him off the road. Guys, I think we have a horny toad on the road. Yes! Yes! Oh, yes! Horny toad, I knew it when I saw it. That is awesome. We can collect him to take it to the San Antonio Zoo for their reintroduction program. They need South Texas horny toads.
Can I pet it?
Pick it up. Hold it like the toad.
Can I please hold it?
Ella's gonna hold it first if she's brave enough.
She's gonna scare it away.
No, hold it like the side, yeah, on the side.
This?
Yes, hold it in the middle of the body. Quick and fast.
I don't want to do it.
Then do it, Sophia. Do it, Sophia. Oh man, that is cool.
It's like flattened.
No, there's no car. That's just the light from the entrance of the gate. Look, Ella. Did he close his eyes?
Oh, it's sleepy. Yeah, don't pet it this way. Just pet it this way.
But don't just touch the horn, Stella.
Can I pet it like this?
Yeah.
It's like, what is going on?
Let me see if it's a boy or girl. Yeah, it's a little boy. It's got a spotted belly.
Can I hold it?
Such a cool. Watch out, Sophia. I'm trying to get a video. So cool. Yeah. Hold it like this, like I'm holding it. Hand under.
So cute, right? Yeah. Can I let it go?
Oh, we're gonna collect it for the San Antonio Zoo.
So you did it last time with Toby?
Yeah.
So you can go to the zoo for free?
Yeah. They'll let us go in the zoo for free.
Yes. Why do we do it? When I petted his head, he was like,
All right, we're gonna collect it and keep herping. Got a rat on the road. It's not moving. Hold on. His name is Bob. Bad quality video because lighting is pretty bad.
Bob, go away.
Anyway, we're gonna keep herping. Hi, rat. Look, we got armadillos. 1, armadillo 2 over there.
I see it.
He's coming towards it. He's filthy.
Grab it. No, Lila, don't. Leave it alone.
Leave it alone.
It has dirt all over it. Can you put the light on?
Yeah, it was taking a mud bath for sure. All right, let's get back in the car, guys.
And there's armadillo number 2.
All right, let's get in the car.
It's just,
Let's keep herping.
it's just chilling.
All right, guys, I was about to do an update, but I see something on the road that's pretty cool. Let's go check it out. It's a stickbug.
A stick bug? Where? Oh,
Sophia is tired, so she's gonna stay in the car, but Ella's still up for it. Look at that.
oh my gosh, is it the one that goes on bamboo?
It goes on all kinds of plants.
Wow.
Sophia's here. I thought she was too tired.
Can I touch the
It's
back?
got something on its head.
It's like white.
Hey, hold on. It's got something on its head. What is that? Like some parasite type of thing?
Take it off. Oh! Oh my gosh. Ew! Ew!
You want to pick it up, Soph?
It looks like I want to pick it up. Where do I pick it up?
Just hold it like you always.
Pick it up. I don't want to bother. Oh my gosh! Gross. There's like bugs flying everywhere. So weird. Look, there's a June bug. Can I pet it?
It's gonna try and jump off.
Look, here's a June bug too, guys. I like June bugs because it means it's close to June, which is my birthday month.
This is a cool thing, but yeah, I'm gonna try and see
Can I
what
hold it from here?
that is. If it's
Look,
part of
Ella.
its body or if it's like
June bug.
can't really tell.
Go
Here.
crawl away
Yeah.
before you get run over. Can I hold it?
You're gonna hold it.
Like where? Where do I hold it?
Where do you think you'd need to hold it?
Like right
In the
here?
middle of the body, yeah.
Oh, I'm
Just don't squeeze it.
And don't mess with its. Ah!
Stop, Ella.
Here, hold it. It's really squishy, so don't squish it. Oh, take it off! Take it off my hand!
Here.
Take it off my hand!
Stop, Ella. Calm down.
Ah! Did you just take off its head?
No.
Get it off. It is so scary. That was so scary.
All right, well, we're gonna get it off the road and keep herping. All right, guys, it is 9:44, and we haven't seen a snake. Conditions are good. It's just a little too hot right now. It's 86 degrees. I thought it was gonna cool down, but it hasn't. Anyways, I would at least expect to see Diamondbacks and checkered garters, but we haven't. Wish it was cooler, but is what it is. So we've seen just the Texas toad and the Texas horned lizard. That's it. Anyways, I'm sure we'll see something crossing the road here soon. There's another herper that's on this road right now, and he's been sending me his finds. He's found 2 atrox and a Diamondback water snake. So snakes are moving. It's just we haven't seen them, but we'll keep going and see what we find.
Daddy, get it!
Got a snake. Let's go check it out.
It's right there. Maybe
What kind is it?
It's a checkered.
Oh, it's a long-nosed snake. Nice. Tell Sophia. Tell Sophia. Nice. Very cool. She's too tired.
Can you hold it?
Yeah, you can hold this. Yeah, it's like all of it is dead.
It's shaking its tail.
All of it is orange too. See how orange it is?
Uh-huh.
Awesome find. These guys are specialized in eating lizards. They're lizard eaters. But it's ooh, I've never seen them be this defensive. But anyway, I'm gonna take some pictures and get it off the road. First snake of the night, not bad. Very cool. All right, we're gonna let it go. Let's walk a little bit farther.
Here?
A little bit farther. Right there.
Here?
Yeah, right here.
Bye. Bye, long nose.
Very cool. There it goes.
Into
All right.
the wild.
Yeah, let's keep her. Guys, we got a snake on the road. I don't know what it is. Looks reddish. Oh, it's a little decayed brown snake. Cool. I don't see these guys often here.
Is it venomous?
No.
It won't even move.
Pick it up.
That's soft. Oh my god.
It's okay.
It's gonna poop on me.
No, it's okay. It's got a red tongue like a garter snake. Very cool. I'm gonna take some pictures on Ella's hand because, oh, maybe not. Look at those fingers full of chips. He's got Dorito fingers. Anyway, we're gonna let it go and keep herping. All right, guys, got a checkered garter. Ooh, it's moving. Nice little checkered garter.
Can I get it? Can I get it?
Actually, I have a friend that needs one for. He does lectures. His name is Michael Price. He told me if I find one to collect it for him for his no, those poop, Ella. They poop on you and they musk. But I'll hold on to him for his lectures and see how. Of course, if it doesn't do good and eat in captivity, which these guys, you just need to feed them tilapia and they'll eat if they don't eat rodents. But sometimes they'll eat rodents. Anyway, let me grab them.
Can I pet it?
There it is.
Aww. You're a cutie pie.
It's like a boy,
I know.
if I had to guess.
So the tongue is red, but the end is like blackish.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
They're pretty cool little snakes. Okay. Very cool little snakes. Anyway, let's keep herping.
Yep.
Alright guys, it is 10:31. We've seen 3 snakes on the road, and that horny toad and the Texas toad. So things are picking up. Snakes are starting to move. Oh, and I got a car behind me. Crap. Anyway, keep you guys updated to see what I find. And the temperature is coming down, so that's good. I think it's at 81 right now. Hopefully it hits the 70s soon, so more land propel to start moving. Or the land propel to start moving. Anyway, we'll keep you guys in the loop. Guys, that's a big beetle. Look at the size of that thing. Wow, let me see if I can get it in my hand. Well, you can see the size of it in my shoe. That's a big old beetle. Woo! Look at that. What in the world? The eyes go all the way. Look at that. The eyes go all the way from the top to the bottom. Wow, you bug experts, let me know what it is, but I have no idea what this is. Anyway, I'm gonna get it off the road. There it goes. That thing's powerful. Anyway, let's keep herping. Alright guys, it is 11:30. We've seen those 3 snakes, and the horny toad and the toad. That's it. Apparently, snakes are moving in the first part of the road like the last 2 times, which is really weird. I don't know why, but it's just the way it is right now. The other herper that I'm talking to, he's seen 10 snakes, and he's just basically cruising back and forth in a 5-6 mile radius, and he's just keeps seeing snakes. So I thought, hey, I'm just gonna keep going all the way to where I usually turn around, and I haven't been nearly as successful as he has. So anyway, I'm gonna go back over there where the action's at and see what else we find. Anyway, let's see what snakes we find. Hopefully we do find something. All right, guys, got a snake on the road. Little Diamondback. Cool. First one of the night. And I guess that these were going to be the first snake. I guess Diamondback for the first snake. Alright, well, get it off the road. Keep herping. My flashlight's dying. I got to charge it. Alright guys, got a little checkered. It's moving all over the road. Oh. Hey. Oh, it's biting. Oh, it's biting. They never bite. Pooped all over me too. It's booking it. Look at it. It's feisty. See if it'll let me take a few pictures of it. There's a storm coming, guys. It's 12:30 right now, but there's a gnarly storm coming. So I think snakes are gonna start moving again right now. They kind of slowed down, but I think they're gonna start moving back up. Anyway, I'm gonna let this guy get off the road and keep going. Alright guys, it is 1:08. I'm heading back home. We've seen 4 snakes, horny toad, and I've seen a bunch of toads, but I haven't stopped, just stopped by that one toad. Anyway, so we're almost at the beginning of the road, and then there's a couple of roads that I take to go home that might produce some snakes. So I might keep recording, so we'll see, but if not, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Got another little checkered on the way out. Cool. Focus phone. Very cool. Anyway, we'll let this guy get off the road and keep herping. Well, heading home and herping, and if we find anything, good. If not, we'll see some next time. Alright guys, that's all she wrote. That's it. Didn't see any more snakes on the couple of roads that I sometimes see snakes on the way to the bigger highway. So that's gonna be it. I'm probably gonna combine this video with the next time I go out. They're supposed to get rain this next week in South Texas and Central Texas, so it might be good. If it is, I'll go out and see how the movement is down south with the snakes. But I'm probably gonna go out midweek next week. So tomorrow is Sunday, so got a day of relaxing, and then I think Monday the rains start. So I might go out Monday night, or I don't know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I think they stop on Thursday, so we'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if I deem necessary, I'll combine next video with this one. If not, thanks for watching, and see you next time.